Okay, here's a quick overview of Voki. They changed it a little bit, so we'll just go with it the way it is here. So we want to go to create, and we're not going to sign in or anything. We're just going to go from the start. Now you can choose your different faces. You can roll the dice, so it'll choose a different face for you. You can do all your different clothes if you want to do different things like that. And if you need to change the background or something, you can do that if you want to. And you can customize colors. We're not really going to worry about all that. I'm going to scroll down just a little bit. But you can customize it as much as you want to. In here, you can either type in your message, you can record your message, you could call it in if you want to, or you can add an audio file. I'm just going to type it in, and I'm going to say my name is Andy Johnson, and my dream vacation is to a warm beach in the Caribbean. I don't know how to spell that. Alright, let's spell check it. Okay. Here you can change, your voices and your accents. I'm going to leave it on English, but you can mess with that if
Johnson and my dream vacation is to
I think I'm going to go with a more masculine voice. Okay. I think that's pretty good. I'm good with that right there. I'm going to hit the publish. Give my character a name. Save it. And I'm not going to sign up or log in right now. I'm good with it as it is. And I'm just going to copy the URL, which is right here, and copy it. And then I'll be able to paste that, and you'll see that in our class plans. All right, hope this helps.